Hey people, Jay here, and thanks for returning. If you are new here, welcome. Today's video is an all-day clean with me video, so be inspired to clean with me. I began by washing some clothes. So as you can see, after I finished putting a load of clothes in the washing machine, I began by cleaning some things in my half bath. I just love using my heat cloth to clean off the mirrors. One, because I don't have to use anything but water. Leave me a comment down below to let me know if you also have an heat cloth. Now this Mrs. Meyer scent here is one of my favorite spring scents. I'm going to be running out of it soon, and eventually I will be trying to purchase some scents for the fall. But right now, this works just fine. So if you got an opportunity to check out my video from last week, my husband did some cleaning in our main bath, and as you can see, we do clearly clean the toilets differently. By the way, if you like this type of content, be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to be up to date on the latest videos that I upload. As you can see, there are more clothes for me to wash. Well, at this time I was taking the clothes out of the washing machine and putting them in the dryer. And as you can see, there was dust everywhere from the filter, so I was cleaning that out before I put all my clothes in there. And then I started another load of clothes. This time I needed to clean our towels, and later on in the video you will see that I needed to clean our sheets as well. And here we are, speeding along. Now I'm in my next room, in the living room. It was dusty in there. This room doesn't get as dirty as some of the other rooms, like the kitchen and my bedroom, which you will see later on that I have to clean. But it does get a little dusty, and sometimes I do have to get to where I have to vacuum and clean off the sofa, as you can see. So this carpet cleaner here, I had ended up getting it from the Dollar Tree, and I love the scent. I can't remember what the scent is at this moment, but I didn't have very much of it, and to be honest with you, I hadn't used it in a while because I had forgotten about it. So I decided to use this scent, or I decided to use this cleanser in the living room.
Looking up, moves in ways that keeps changing. Catch a glimpse of what was you and me. It's gone again, sinking in, back on the shore, one foot in front of the other.
Yes, all done, and moving on to the next room.
Just like you used to back then. These hopes dance high like sparks before they go out. But in that second, you're still mine. Diving in to all this endless space. Falling stars, but still I see you. A sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this.
So unfortunately, I'm not always able to make the bed up in the morning like I would prefer. My husband works afternoons, and a lot of times he is sleeping in the morning, and more so even towards the afternoon. So I don't get the opportunity to make up the bed as early in the morning as I would like to.
Morning. For now, I'll embrace our wondrous sea. Diving in to all this endless space.
And here I am using that same heat cloth later on in the evening. By this time, I think it may have been about 10
Lovely start,
p.m. I'm not quite sure, but I know it was later on in the evening.
swimming in this deep, deep blue.
And as you can see now, I am putting up and folding up all those towels that I had washed earlier in the day.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand together.
I love using these baskets here. The wired basket I had purchased from Big Lots a couple of years ago, and the plastic brown ones, I got those, I believe, from Family Dollar. But anyway, I love using those to organize my towels in my closet.
Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come.
Nothing like clean sheets on the bed.
We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all, let's build a dream.
So I have this wonderful lavender scent here to use to put in my diffuser, which I purchased from Amazon. I'll also leave a link in the description box for this diffuser. I ended up purchasing this pillow cover here from Amazon for the upcoming fall season.
No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Let go of all your fears and pride.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed what you saw today. Be sure to give me a like, comment, share this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
If we